Daruifuno provides users with a variety of installation accessories to meet different installation needs. For example, this flow-through installation accessories is suitable for DPH790 digital pH sensor, DRH790 digital ORP sensor, DEC790 digital conductivity sensor. Below we demonstrate the specific installation method. This flow-through installation kit includes flow cell, 2 hoses, quick connectors. Next, install the quick connector. This is the inlet of the flow cell. This is the outlet of the flow cell. Screw the quick connector A1 into the water inlet of the flow cell and tighten it along the thread. Then insert the quick connector C1 into the water inlet and outlet interface. Next, install the flow cell on the wall according to site needs. Insert the water inlet hose and outlet hose into the corresponding interfaces. Take out the sensor. Finally, insert the sensor into the flow cell interface and tighten it along the thread. The flow-through installation of the sensor is completed. When you need to use it, then slowly open the water inlet valve and adjust the flow rate. Wait for a while until the flow tank is filled with water. Note, the water outlet should be open for drainage to prevent pipeline damping or back pressure, which may lead to poor drainage or water backflow. If you install quick connectors at both the water inlet and outlet, be sure to note that there is no back pressure on the water outlet. Therefore, the A2 and C2 quick connectors in the installation accessories are not necessary. Please use them according to the actual situation. Tip: first, if you need to unplug the hose, remove the blue semicircular ring for quick removal. Second, the length of the hose can be adjusted by the user according to needs.